Well, that's definitely a way to start the video. Yeah. Oh, why are you always in my head, Clovey? And you're in the camera too, eh? Aww. What are you two doing? I just had you on my shoulder, on camera. What are you doing? Oh, tickles! That's a roof. Eh? I know your birdcage is very impressive. It's got a couple of wires running. Shall I show the viewers? Yeah. Oop. Ooh. Hey. Don't you dare peck my skin. Chloe. No picking my skin. It's bed's order. The tickles. Oh, ah. Be careful. Doing, silly bird. Can I trust you? Oh, stop tickling. No. Oh, straight, clumsy plug. And change your food, guys. Strato. Yeah. You want to change the... Let's go change the food together, Strato. You're a good bird. So, this is what you fat asses like to chew on, eh? How do you... Clovey. Always has to ruin the experience. Hey, you're hungry. Oh, no, you just want to pick the phone. Clever. No. Clever. That's you? And the other one? Ooh. Ooh, you can see my double chin. You're not Peter, you're Clover. Spontaneous budgie combustion. Oh, you're fine, eh? Ooh, I think you want some more Coles magazines, don't you? Coles? You love them. I think you do too, Chloe. Jesus, you're so loud. Oh, you're so on my shoulder. That's you cute little goober. But no, why is it not working anymore? There we go. Stop squawking in my ear. Well, Chloe. Never would I see the day that Strato is not only on my shoulder, but being a little complacent bugger. You thirsty? You're not thirsty. Clover. What? It's the same water ball that you poop in all the time. There you go. It's good, bro. Stop destroying the shirt, Strato. That's what you got the Coles magazine for. You're really interested in that $1.75 packet of chips. Peekaboo! He out, bruh. Strato! Clover! My dog, you do not like my watch. That should scare you, bro. Come out. Come on, you goofy goober. Stop tickling. Chain reaction, huh? Come on, Clovey. We go back inside, okay? Come on. Good bird. Ah, as soon as I say that. You gotta go back inside the cage. You didn't go outside. Yeah. Yeah. Don't destroy the pegs. No. What are you doing? Come on. Go inside. Oh, it's easy to get you out, but it's hard to get you in. Like anything. Alright, turn off the light. You can go back inside? Glitchy ass birds, what the? Please, Chloe, stop fighting me. I'm gonna put the camera down now. I love you, little Chloe worries. Aww.